Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to show you how to copy the art style from one image to another using Canva. Okay, so we're jumping now into Canva, and what you'll actually see here on the left hand side, you're going to go into elements, and here you can search whatever element you want. So let's just say like a coffee cup, right? So let's go ahead and let's choose a coffee cup. Now what you can do is go into graphics. Let's just say see all, and in graphics you can now choose the graphic that you would like. So let's just say perhaps we would like to take this one here. So we've got this coffee cup over here, and let's have a look at something else. So let's say, for example, dinosaur. Now we've got dinosaur here, and here we can actually copy the art style from a dinosaur. So perhaps let's say we want to go and use this one here, and then we're also going to grab this one. Let's just resize it. Okay, so now what we need to do is go ahead and select an element. So we're going to select this one over here, and up on the top right hand side it says copy style. So let's click on that, and here you're going to click on the copy art style. Now this is a premium feature, but if you're not using premium you can just copy the basic style. But for now we're going to say copy art style. And once we've clicked on it, you'll see that your cursor is now a roller brush, and you can go ahead and you can click on the art style that you would like to change, or the graphic, sorry, that you would like to change. So let's click on here. You can see now that it has changed its art style. You can do the same by clicking on this one, clicking on copy style, clicking on copy art style, and then restyling this one. You can see now this has taken a few seconds to complete, but now you can see that this and this is very different. So now you can copy art styles and have your documents and all of your designs in the same style.